Edo Deputy Governor Engineer Marvelous Omobayo don reinstate im commitment to the development of sports, particularly the game of football, for the growth of a healthy society. The Deputy Governor gave this assurance for one courtesy visit by members of the Edo State Football Association, led by its chairman Newton Ironse for the office of the Deputy Governor. Oga Omobayo tok say sport generally na confirmed tool to discover and harness young talents to enable them to be self-reliant and contribute meaningfully to the building of a better society. A constituent say,
I'm sure you continue to do very well. You have done your bit. God will strengthen you. I know it requires a lot of resources, but resources, they've always been very scarce. But we'll try our best to see that in our time, don't fail, no go fall. There are a whole lot to put in resources, critical infrastructures and all of that, but sport is entertainment, sport is life. It relieves your stress, anxiety, and in fact, your entire body wellness. What it does, the conventional drug you take can't even do it. The only thing that can complement the form of entertainment sport gives to you is maybe your regular sleep. So I want to thank you very much for coming. We'll work together. I like to under-promise so that I can over-deliver. So for me, we are one. I understand the game, and it's something I hold high esteem. So we'll look at in the coming days what we can do together. But don't forget, we have a project of Aswe Godalo, PDP project.
For in part, Chairman Edo State Football Association Newton Ironse say members of the association join body follow come the Deputy Governor's office to congratulate him on top in elevation to the number 2 position, and say the appointment of Engineer Marvelous Omobayo na well-deserved one and a symbol of the youth consistency.
Representing number 2 citizen of a state, and we are proud to associate ourselves with you. It gave us a sense of hope that all hope is not lost as a youth, that whatever we are doing, we should strive hard and be focused and put God first. Today, as an association, as a tradition, what we're doing in our state, our Deputy Governor, we need to come and identify ourselves to him, so that because football is a unifying factor in Edo State, and we are the custodian of football in Edo State. We control football across the 18 local governments, and it is on this note that we said we must come and see our boss, and also to come and facilitate with you, as because it was not your victory. Let me use the word. You coming to this position is not made by man; it was already ordained by God.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.